Good morning children, myself Kalyani Jadhav from Samarpan Gyan School and I am teaching in class of Junior KG. Today we are going to talk about safety at home. So what is the meaning of the safety children? Safety means to be safe by staying always from things that can you hurt. It also means not doing things that can harm you. To be safe, there are many things that you must remember. When you touch the object, you get hurt. So, if you are not touched, you are safety at home. So, let's see which things you are not touched. So, first is this is a table and on the table one knife is there. So you are touch the knife? No, keep away from the sharp object like knives and blade. If you are touch the knife, your finger will be cut down and you get hurt. Stay away from hot object. If you are going in kitchen and mama is not there and the hot object is there, if you will be touched, so you get hurt. Things will be hot. Do not play with the tools. If you are playing with the tools, so you get hurt. Do not run on the wet floor. If your floor is wet, so you get fell down. So do not run wet floor. Do not climb on the shelves and table. If you want to wearing something, you want to anything, so tell your mama and papa, but do not climb on the table. If you are climb the table, you get hurt or fall down. Do not touch the wires and sockets. If you are touch the wires and socket, you get hurt. So do not touch. Place and people who work there. So first is which place is the school, and inside the school so many people are helpers. First is a bus driver. When we are going out from our house, who will pick up? Bus driver. Bus driver is wearing the uniform and he pick up and reach safely at school. And he is drives a bus safely. When he entered the school, who is first? Security guard. Security guard is wearing the uniform and stand near the gate, and the guard also has a whistle and the stick also. Then who is she? She is a sweeper. Sweeper you called Masi. She is having one broom and she is helping with the broom to sweep the floor and put the waste in the dustbin. Then who is she? She is also helper and we are using called Masi. So Masi also help us for keeping the proper tiffin box, books also and bag. And who is she? She is a teacher. Teacher is teaching us a good manners in school. Teacher is teaching how to write, how to read. So that all teach us teacher. Then your restaurant. When you are going to restaurant with your family or friend, so who is first? Is there waiter and chef. Who is making yummy food? Chef. And first waiter is coming. Then waiter is wearing a clean uniform and he come for order. He giving one menu card and waiter suggests us for sitting which table. So he shows one table, you can sit there. After that we are order something for us, and waiter that order gives a chef. Then waiter manage the table. He clean the table, and on the table one clean cloth is there, clean glass is there. Then he keep the bowls, dish, fork and spoons also. Then the food is coming. Who is making a yummy food? Chef is also wearing a apron and chef cap, and he is making a yummy food. After that, fire station. In the fire station, one fire engine is there, red color. Which color is this? Red color. And the fireman also wearing the red color uniform, helmet and boot also. Then in the fire engine, one big ladder also, hose pipe also. And when the people call them, fire engine rush on the road, and the siren is also ring, and the light is also blinking, and the fire engine fireman put off the fire with the hose pipe, and the fire extinguisher also. Police station. This is a policeman and this is a police vehicle. When the thief come in your house, so we are call police station 100. So policeman uncle come and catch the thief, and we are giving them all the information. So that kind of information, policeman catch the thief. Then park. In the park, so many trees are there, so many plants, then slides, benches. So who is maintain us? So gardener uncle maintain all the things. He trims the grass also, he trims the trees also, and maintain the garden. Post office. This is a post office, and this is a mailbox, and this is a mail van, and this is a postman uncle. Postman uncle is wearing blue color uniform, and he is having one brown bag also. Inside the bag, so many envelopes, so many letters also, and on the letters address is there, and on the address basis the postman reach the letters and envelope also. And the mail van, inside the mail van so many mail and letters is also there, and mail van reach the post office, and from post office mail van take the so many letters and envelope. Then hospital. Here one ambulance is here. So if any emergency is there, so we call the ambulance 108. So ambulance come, and then hospital ambulance take the hospital. In the hospital, doctors and nurses is there. So doctor is check our body and gives some medicine, and nurses take care of us. So these all are community helpers. Draw line to match each person to his/her place of work. So your places is there and your people is there. So we have to match the people of their particular places. So first is the gardener. So we have to match the gardener with the park. This is a nurse. Nurses work in hospital. Then chef is work in restaurant, and the postman is work in post office. Circle the object that belong to the helper. Your helper is given and your object is given. So we have to circle the object related to the helper. First is the teacher. So teacher is using this tool or duster. So teacher is using duster. So we have to circle this. Chef. Chef is using this tool or apron. So chef is using apron. So we have to circle this. Doctor. Doctor is using stethoscope. Use or this medicine. Stethoscope. Then the postman is using this hammer, comb or letter. Letter. We have to circle the letter. Then gardener using this shower pot. So we have to circle this. Like this you will do the practice.